Windows equivalent for DD. I need to read and write various flashcard images. The way I always did this in Linux was with DD, and that did the trick. What is a good Windows equivalent? Simply put, I need to be able to read an entire card into a file and vice versa. I tried Wind, but that seems to operate on partitions rather than entire devices, but I need to be able to dump the entire disk/card and its partition table regardless of its content. Using Windows 7 64-bit with the card reader on a used 3-port.
Rufus works as expected. Choose DD image for create bootable disk using. The source is published on GitHub, this URL. Bailnaetcher is another Windows-compatible tool for writing images to USB drives. It's also fast, and is easier to use than Rufus. My experience, Win32 Diskimager did not detect USD through a USB 3 reader. DD for Windows, Mingle compiled DD, Unix utils DD, and Linux DD via VirtualBox VM USB 3 pass-through were all unacceptably slow. I have yet to find a Windows command line equivalent that can beat the 50 MB/s write speeds I'm seeing with Rufus.
Just use DD for Windows, it works perfectly even though it is quite an old project.
Try Win32 Diskimager, it can write images to disks.
Surprised nobody mentioned new core utils for Windows. I've been using them for years. They're 32-bit binaries but apparently, except for less, they still work under Windows 7 64 bits. Example usage. The reported times are a bit odd but otherwise it seems to work well.
If you want to support them, please use it